How do I know if my ductwork shifted over time? You may notice uneven heating or cooling, whistling sounds, weak airflow, higher energy bills, dusty rooms, or loose and damaged duct connections. Start by comparing airflow from each vent when the heating or cooling system is running. If one room feels much warmer or colder than nearby rooms, a duct may have separated, sagged, been crushed, or slipped out of position. Listen for whistling, rattling, or rushing air near ceilings, floors, closets, and the furnace area, because these sounds can point to leaks. Look for disconnected joints, torn insulation, loose straps, crushed flexible duct, or silver tape that is peeling away. A useful check is to hold a thin piece of tissue near accessible connections. If it moves strongly while the system runs, air may be escaping. Do not crawl into unsafe areas or touch electrical parts, and turn the system off before inspecting anything closely. One lesser-known clue is excess dust around a register or inside a mechanical closet, which can happen when a return duct pulls dirty air from an attic, crawl space, or wall cavity. A contractor can confirm the problem with pressure testing, which measures how much air escapes instead of relying only on what can be seen. A common mistake is blaming a dirty filter for every airflow problem. So replace the filter first, but investigate further if only certain rooms are affected. Another mistake is sealing only the visible crack with ordinary duct tape. Use approved foil tape or duct sealant, because common cloth duct tape often dries out and fails. People also assume a noisy vent always means the duct shifted, when a closed damper, blocked register, or undersized duct can cause similar symptoms, so compare several vents before deciding. If insulation contains old, damaged, or unknown material, avoid disturbing it and have a qualified professional inspect it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.